the sun's out today. Oh, my eyes! Alright, got back from the shower, now I gotta find food. Okay, I need to make sure I can eat that mat. Oh man, I didn't do it. Ooh, I'm getting a racket. Let's go. I just got me some lunch. What should we do?
It's not gonna be safe for him anymore.
I don't know.
I got lunch.
Get that bat away from you.
What?
Yeah.
Now go.
You guys are jerks.
Do you think this thing is safe for him?
No. I think we should sell him because we'll make a fortune.
If you want to make a fortune, do you think it's gonna be safe to do that?
Yeah, we can just sell him on eBay.
Well, he's not gonna go completely.
I don't know.
We need to sail him across something.
A ship. Yeah.
If that even works.
That might work. Yeah, it will work.
But what if anything was sock monkey? You never know.
Dad, I promise it will work. I promise.
But it'll be a death sentence for him. Alright, if you think this is the best choice.
Yeah.
Alright, let's shake on it. Man, another news and podcast, but mainly news in the works. How we feeling, Michael?
Pretty good.
Really excited. It's crazy to me that, they're hunting after Sock Monkey. What's he doing wrong?
I heard that the hunter is Jacob's servant. Blah,
Why
hate that guy.
why Jacob Servant?
Man,
Why
he's
let
trash.
him hunt down Sock Monkey?
Why would you hunt down a big marshmallow guy that looks like Baymax? It's stupid.
Yeah, he basically looks like a Max. Alright, I'm gonna check this out. Come check this report out with me.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, God, that's crazy.
Yeah.
If Ducky's being sold on the market
We
and
gotta stop that.
if we gotta stop it, we gotta go into hiding. It seems like they're selling him across the ocean, and they're going across the Pacific Ocean. Where are they going?
I thought it said Atlantic.
Who are they selling him to? Who are they?
It says that they're gonna take him all the way to the Atlantic Ocean.
Hang on. It says right here that it's 106 million kilometers. There's no
Jeez.
way they aren't going to make it that way.
Yeah.
Should we risk it? Should we go and help?
Well, we would cause some drama, but what the heck? Let's go. You sure this is a good idea?
No, I really think not, but we gotta save his life. Okay, sneak in
But
quietly.
why would we want to save someone like him? I'd rather save my brother instead.
Yeah, well, we gotta save him first, and then we can probably save your brother. We just gotta make sure we don't interrupt Sock Monkey, because he's probably out doing something.
Alright, let's go.
Guys, this is pretty kinky.
Shut up, Ducky.
What are you
Shut up.
trying to do? Rape me?
We're trying to sell you for money.
Yeah, so that we can get that money and be like Leo.
Yeah,
Well,
so
yeah.
you should kick him.
Let me go, Bendy.
No, you made my father fall off. Stop shaking the ship! Ducky, stop. Ducky, stop.
Bendy,
Fire the missile.
what was that? Bendy, to shut me.
Wait, what? I thought I was selling it. Holy crap, what did we do? Where are you going?
I don't want to die, man.
Well, wait for me, bro.
Come on.
Where are you? I'm not afraid anymore. Come on.
What happened?
I won.
I won. Are we in the cave?
I think so. This is Cave Site 101. So.
Oh, hey, look what I found.
Don't pick that up. Ah, God! God, don't shine
sorry.
that.
Oh, hey, look, there's Benty down there. I wonder what he's doing.
Bendy.
What?
Oh, hang on. We're coming down. Oh, God. All right. There's something supposed to be here. I really don't know what it is. You know what's crazy to me? God, get that flashlight out of my face, Michael.
I'm gonna go look around.
You know what's crazy, though? That local legend says that the two-headed viper is the most dangerous being and one of the most powerful beings. You heard of the legend of the viper?
Yeah.
Oh, hey, Bendy, what you doing here?
Trying to get this hammer out.
Excuse me?
You know, trying to pull the hammer over here.
I gotta see this. Is it hard to pull out?
That's what she said.
Of course, yeah. I knew I was gonna make that joke. Okay, hey, Michael, you mind doing me a favor?
What?
Press the signal on Ducky so it'll alert him. Maybe he can pull it out for us.
Alright. Come on, you stupid thing. Oh, hey, Ducky.
Hey, this place is amazing. I've been looking around a little bit. It's pretty cool.
We're trying to pull out this hammer. Do
Let me
not take it like
let
that,
me see.
and, you wanna try?
Mm-hmm.
Alright. Ducky, you're worthy.
What is that?
Whoa, what's that noise?
Hey, Ducky, I don't think you should have pulled out that hammer.
I think I should have.
Yeah.
You think you should have pulled the hammer
Yeah.
out? Well, because the ground starts shaking, and the ground only starts
I like
shaking
it
when
when it
Stockman's
shakes.
ex-wife comes.
Yeah.
Okay, I say we should get out.
I say we hop into the bendy car. Let's go.
Stop making the baby joke. Come on.
Let's go.
All right, Bendy, we're gonna head off to our podcast. Wait, did I just see a two-headed snake pop out of the ground?
No, I think we're good.
All right, whatever. Totally not gonna worry about that.
Wait, where are you guys going?
You want to go do our podcast?
Sure, let's go. Let's go.
Gotta go to New York. Hey, remember me?
Hello there.
Come on then, Ducky. Smell this.
Okay, Michael and Future Ralph. I think round 2 went to Ducky. I think so. We're on the ridge.
Oh, talk. Oh, maybe not strangle me next time while you bring me in here. So I knew you'd come. What? I thought you died. I saw you on my team. I thought I saw you get flipped, I think. Oh, you really did, huh, bro?
You know, it's crazy to me that you think you can sneak into my office and walk at me.
I didn't sneak into your office. Sock Monkey and Ducky are fighting in New York, you see. And gotta find a way to stop them. I think Ducky defeated him.
Yeah, I think so, bro. Thing is, though, I've already won.
What you mean?
Thing is, though, They have summoned something special, or at least Ducky did.
What do you mean, Hoof?
You see, 10 years ago, 2 vipers reigned everything, and they destroyed everything in their path. They would kill anything, and once the hammer was pulled out, they would rise and kill again. That's why you let Ducky pull out the hammer and let do anything. You should have stopped at the right moment, but no. And now the snakes will rise.
No! You can't let this happen.
You let this happen. Now I will see you on my way out.
No! There's gotta be a way.
Well,
where are you, Ducky?
bow down to me. Fine. I'll leave you to die here on your own. Leave you to die here on your own, peasant. Useless.
You're useless.
What did you do to him?
You know what, Michael? No, he croaked. No.
He just fell asleep.
No, obviously Sock Monkey K'd the word. He
Killed him?
K-word him. Yeah. Okay, I need someone to like jumpstart his heart. Ooh, perfect.
Oh, perfect.
Make sure that's plugged in. Oh god, okay. I need Bendy to go plug that in. We're gonna defibrillate his heart whether he likes it or not. Alright, got that in. I need you to go plug that in.
Alright, ready?
Alright, we need one more cord. Ready?
3,
2,
2, 1,
1.
clear! Oh wait, there's another one. Let me do that.
Alright, I need to put it in correctly. Just put it in.
Ah, there we go.
Ah, there we go. Alright, 3, 2, 1,
Clear.
clear. Ducky's back.
Hey, you're alive. Let's
All
go.
I remember is that I had a broken shoulder.
All I know is that Sock Monkey is getting the beat out of you know what, and we.
He's
I say
getting
you
that
should help him.
beat out of him.
Yeah. You gonna go help him?
No,
We'll give you some cookies.
I guess I do have to help
Yeah.
him.
So go pick up your hammer and go beat him up.
Okay.
Not me, Sock Monkey, dummy.
Okay, I'll go beat up Sock Monkey.
Oh no! That's not what I meant.
Oh, I need to some Daddy.
Ow, okay, my arm actually hurts. Ah.
Ducky, you saved me?
Ducky, you saved me.
No, I didn't. I just wanted to kill the snake so I can kill you.
You know what, Ducky? You're a stupid duck. I should
I
have
am
killed you
not
more.
a stupid duck. I am a smart, educated duck.
Yo, really? You have that stupid eyebrow.
You have a stupid face. Oh, you have a stupid hair. You have a stupid girlfriend.
Guys, break it up. Ladies,
Yeah.
ladies, break it up.
I'm not late. I'm a
not
monkey.
ladies,
I'm a duck. No, shut up, you
Guys,
duck.
there's an evil snake out there, and that one. How are you not dead? Because you almost got.
I know I kept getting whipped out, but my returns is pretty good.
And we saved
No.
Ducky because we plugged in cords, and that's how we charged him back up.
Well, Ducky, we gotta do this together.
Why?
No matter how you like it.
And even at the end, if you guys win, you guys don't even have to talk to each other anymore if you don't want to.
I gotta beat up someone.
It's called the snake.
You gotta beat up. Yeah.
Okay, I got it. Remember what one was snake?
Where's the other one at?
Okay, I got it. Come on. Ducky, okay, it's being wrangling. Come on, we got this, dude. All right, Ducky, hang on. I'll tell you when to go. Ready? And split it. All right, come on. Do I need to go now?
Yeah. I think we did it. Yay, we did it! We're
Let's
so
go.
smart! We're so good!
I need a rest. Hang on.
I am stuffed.
All right, everyone, I'm gonna need documentaries on that. We got the full documentary in set, right, Michael? We got all
Yeah.
set in.
What?
Dougie, I'm sorry for trying to sell you.
Michael, come with me.
Do I know what you deserve for trying to sell me, Benji?
What? Ow!
Listen, he says he's sorry. Now we can all settle our differences.
Yeah, let's
Oh
go.
no.
You did!
Yes, I'm sorry for that I killed you, but come on, we can make up, right? You know what? Let's make up. Ducky, I'm sorry.
I'm sorry. You'll be my friend.
You know what? Let's do it.
Yeah, handshake.
One more now, dude. Both those friends.
You know, you should say sorry to me because you killed me.
Too much
Very
effort.
sorry for killing your dad. Yes, it's too much effort.
Yeah, and Dougie, I'm sorry for selling you again.
Yeah, if you sell
This
me again,
time,
I'm
I
gonna
will
drown
not sell you on eBay. You can do whatever you want.
What's
Try
crazy?
selling me again, I'm gonna drown you.
What's crazy is that we had to defend the world from 2 snakes, and we did it.
Yay!
We were able to save all the Uno users.
We did it.
Yeah. I say we hop into the bendy cart. And
You
get
guys
out
want to
of
go
here.
get some Dairy Queen or something?
No,
Yeah,
I
let's
want
get in my
McDonald's.
car. Come on, let's
I'm
go.
going to get McDonald's.
Let's go. Let's go.